we're gonna replace this gas cap because the holder is broken. So maybe there's another fix for this, but we found this at the junkyard, and it was the exact 2012 Honda Odyssey. We already compared both gas caps, and they are the same. And actually, this one looks a lot better than the one on the truck. So for this, you only need a 10mm socket, and I'm sure there's another way you can fix this, but we're just gonna go, the easy way, or this is a complete assembly. So you just gotta remove the door, and there's two 10mm bolts. Okay, so after you remove the two bolts, this just comes out. You have access to the holder, and you need needle nose pliers, and you're just gonna squeeze. You squeeze this, like the sides. You squeeze it, and then this comes out. So it's like a clip. And then you just put the new one. Clips in. There's a new one. And you just put the door again. Tight the two 10mm bolts, and you're finished. I think that's tight enough, and that's it. I have new gas cap, and like I said, this one looks a lot better than the one was in the truck. So it's an easy fix. You don't spend money, so that's it.